This is the Toro SnowHound 20. So I think it's like a late 60s vintage. It utilizes the Toro power handle, which I believe is a 2.5 horse Briggs, and this motor and handle will remove from this implement so that way it can be mounted on other implements like a lawnmower deck or a rototiller or a garden sprayer or small generator or an edger or a small roller for like a city lot rather than a couple 2 or 3 acre country lot like I got. So it utilizes this motor through the handle. So this helps to divert the chute, albeit not so great. Here you can maybe see is it's got a clutch lever and throttle lever up here. This lever right here is what engages, we'll call it the power takeoff, in order to drive the wheels. So it does actually drive wheels while it's chooching the snow. This handle right here you can lift up, and then there's multiple notches, so that way you can adjust the handle to the height of the operator. And that works on any and all of the implements. So I'm not going to demonstrate taking it off because it's covered in snow. But right down there, that little white T handle is what allows that base plate of the power handle to be removed, so that way you can move it from implement to. So Toro SnowHound 20. I believe the 20 refers to a 20-inch cut through the snow. I have not measured it. That's what it looks like. It's not a bad little unit. Of course, bigger, badder units are available, but kind of like this neat old stuff. So if you want to learn how to restore or repurpose some of this old machinery, one of the channels that I recommend is Mustie1, M-U-S-T-I-E-1. He brings people right into his garage in order to refurbish some older pieces of equipment or garage sale finds, yard sale finds, or just side of the road finds. The way that he presents the information on like how to rebuild carbs and how to test these things to make sure that they're worthwhile is very good in my opinion, and fun-entertaining. I like it. So Mustie1, I would recommend that you go check out his channel. I don't know if he's ever restored any of these, but hey, that's about it.